What's going on, everybody? It is the Baltimore Angler. I'm coming out of hiding. First and foremost, I want to apologize to you all. I have been working nights and sleeping all day, and by the time I wake up, doggone, it's time to go back to work. So I had some time to kill today. I said, you know what, I'm gonna get out here and get fishing, man. Fishing a spot that I haven't fished in a while. The water is up, the water is moving a little bit, it is brown, it is moving. We're using fresh carp for bait today, some carp that I caught. But got the bait casters back out here, listening for that run, that beautiful clicking sound, and gonna see if we can catch something today. Alright, you know, I'm fishing just out of the main Potomac right now. Using my 2 bait caster rods, you know, just out here doing it, man. So just waiting to see when something hits. All right, see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, we out here. Water is up, it is slightly flooded, it is chocolatey brown. Just put poles out with some fresh carp, no bites yet, but of course when I touch my pole it stops. That's flathead activity, but we'll see. I'm just hoping it's not debris. The minute I touch my pole, drops it. All right. Oh. Got something pulling on it. Something keep pulling on it and then it stops. Every single time. Oh, he's on there. He's on there. Oh, he's on there. Hang on. All right. Don't feel that big though, but he's on there. What we're gonna do? We're gonna be smart about this. We're gonna. Oh, snap! He's been hanging out for a little bit. Oh, don't you get wrapped up? Don't you get wrapped up? Hang on. He's been hanging for a little bit. That's crazy because he actually didn't run. What we got here? Come on up here. Woo! Not a bad little blue. Not a bad little blue. Oh, skunk is gone. Little guy. Little guy. Oh, all right. And this is a learning point right here, all right? I'm using a bait caster. This one is a Shakespeare ATS. I had the clicker activated. It clicked just a little bit, then it stopped. So the line was moving, but he wasn't running, which means they're actually staying close to the bottom. There's not a lot of movement right now. You know, with the water being flooded, they're probably out from the main portion, where it's faster moving water, sitting here in these shallows, just kind of taking a break, you know? But let's get him unhooked. What's up, bruh? Whoa, that was a loud splash over there. Be cognizant of that other pole. What's up, man? Huh? Oh! How in the world? Oh. How'd you get hooked like that, bruh? The hook's going backwards. Yeah, okay. I'm not going to touch his mouth because he's already trying to chomp down on me. And if you all saw the bloopers, you all know I probably get bit every single time. All right. Hold on, bruh. Hold on, bruh. Hold on, bruh. Oh, goodness gracious. I know. Oh, let's pick you up, you know, without getting bit. All right, there we go. I give him 6-7 pounds. What's going to be fun is getting this hook out because it actually went in backwards. Look at that. The hook went in backwards. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. All right. All right. Let's put him down and get set up here. Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. I know. I know. That way you don't start flopping and go back in the water. Still ain't got a hit on that one yet. How y'all doing, people? Alright, so skunk for the day is out the bag. Little guy, I'm guessing what, 5, 6, maybe 7 pounds, something like that. But this is a good learning point right here. You see behind me, the water's brown, it is flooded. The main portion is actually fast moving right now. I'm using bait casters, which I'm activating the clicker. When he hit, it started clicking for about a couple seconds and the stop of the line was moving. So he got the bait, but he really wasn't running too much, which means these guys are holding bottom. All right, getting out of that main portion of the Potomac, getting out of that fast moving water, they're coming into these shallows and they're staying calm. So again, not a bad blue cat. Of course, when I tried to grab him, he tried to bite me. But you know what? It's all good. It's just the name of the game, part of fishing. All right. Enough talking. I'm gonna put him back. We're gonna go get another one. All right. Oh. Mom just went limp, which means that he attacked that. Oh, he's on there. He's on there. Feels a little bit bigger. Yo, he's on. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, okay. That's how you feel? Crap. Oh, I'm across this line. Oh, crap. Well, felt a little bigger. I don't think he's that much bigger, though. Just got a lot of fight in him. It's a lethargic bite, but they are biting. Oh, wow, I might not have crossed that line. Oh, sweet, okay, didn't cross. Another little guy. It's a lot of fight and determination, that's all. That's all. Oh. It's crazy. Again, I bought these bait casters to be alerted when I get a hit. First one was about click for all of 3 seconds, and then it was just line movements, and this one actually attacked the bait coming towards me because the line collapsed in the water. So maybe I should have bought my other catfish rods today, huh? Alright, you gonna bite me? Oh, probably my thumb ain't fall off for many times I getting bit, right? Oh, about the same size. Hold on, bro. And there goes their infamous gator roll. Get this hook out your mouth, bro. Oh man. Oh, he ain't biting me. Cool. Oh. Still got my carp. Fish number 2. Probably about the same size as the first one I caught. Hey, little guy. What's up, man? Any bigger ones out there, man? We want some bigger ones. I don't want the little guys. All right, let's get him back. Bam! Gone. All right. Fish number 2. Oh, I wish they'd be bigger, ladies and gentlemen, but tell you what, I'm glad to just finally not have a steering wheel in my hand and actually just be able to get out here and fish. You know what I'm saying? I need to apologize to you all again, but before I explain why, I want to say a very special shout out to Jonathan Salea. I hope I pronounced that correct. In one of my videos, I talked about that once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a hook and cook. Jonathan pointed out that, hey man, we're at 557 subscribers and still no video on a hook and cook. I said, you know what, you're right. So now that we're up to 584 subscribers, the next fish I'm going to catch, we're going to keep it, and I'm going to show you one of my recipes. Alright? So, we caught, of course, I didn't think about it till I caught 2 fish and threw them back, but we are going to, I'm going to catch one more fish and watch it be a 20-pounder, and I can't use that. I don't keep them over, I actually don't keep them over 5 pounds. I've just noticed that the smaller the fish, the better they taste. I used to keep the 10-pounders, but I just noticed, like, they don't really, even that big, to me, they don't really taste that good. But the smaller ones, oh, they taste wonderful. So, we're going to catch one more fish, and then I'm going to wrap it up. We're going to go to the house, and I'm going to show you one of my recipes. And alright, I got a few recipes, but I'm only going to show you one because if I show you all of them, I ain't going to be able to do no more hook and cooks. Alright? Alright, so we just waiting on one more fish to hit. That's it. Alright? Alright, so the fish are not biting anymore. So I got some other things I got to do. I'm going to have to wrap it up and call it a day. 2 small little fish, I mean little guys, but hey man, the skunk's out the bag, and I wanted to put something out there to let y'all know I haven't just disappeared, you know what I'm saying? But here in the next week I got some stuff coming up, fishing wise, that it's going to be a new spot that I was told about. So we're going to try, you got to put in a little work to get to the spot. Going to try to get out there to it next week. I'm hoping I can get out there with the person who told me about it. KLG Maryland Fishing TV. What's up, man? But going to wrap it up today, and that's that, man. You know, again, little guys, but it's better than a skunk. All right. So in the meantime, y'all take care. Be easy. Baltimore Angler. See you later. Yo, people, I literally, okay, all right. I literally was just filming my outro and this fish hit. Literally just filming this outro. It don't feel big though. Does not feel that big. Oh, shoot, he is bigger. All right. Oh. Yo, all this debris shows you how long I've had this pole out there. Oh, dude, I was literally just about to call it a day too, man. Just about to call it a day. Alright. And again, you can see all the debris right here, man. You can see how long this line been sitting out here. Alright, maybe we'll stay for a little bit. Phone's dead, but that's alright. Alright. If I put my hand in your mouth, you're gonna bite me. Because you are definitely feisty. Ooh. Let's see here. trying to do a hook and cook, but he's gonna be too big, man. I can't keep him, he's too big. Y'all know my rules. Get a weight on him. He gonna be over 10 pounds easy. Let's get this hook out your mouth, bro. Hold on, bro, hold on. Oh. I was seriously about to call it a day. I was getting ready to start reeling everything in, and bam, he hit out of nowhere. All right. Scale. Probably need some pliers to get that out of his mouth, because it's in there pretty good. Hey. 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 Ooh, he kind of freaked me out. I wasn't expecting him to just pop up out of nowhere. Man. Of course, I like my good pliers at home. So I gotta use these little dinky needle nose pliers. Alright, bro, let's just get this hook out your mouth. Huh? Let's get this hook out your mouth. Open up. Oh, y'all saw that. He tried to open his mouth, he just closed it right back up on me. Come on, dude, I'm trying to help you out, man. Yo, stop closing your mouth. Oh. There we go. Oh, closed up right as I got my fingers out of there. Woo! Alright, so here's the deal, alright? I was literally just trying to film my outro because the bite had been so slow. Filmed it on my phone dies. I'm getting ready to start packing everything up, calling it a day. Bam! Big boy hit right here. I was trying to do a hook and cook, but it's gonna be a little big, man. I'm not for keeping the bigger fish. I know some people do. That's to each their own. You know, that's what you do. It's your business. You want to keep them? Keep them. Me, I don't like keeping them big. All right, but I'm gonna show y'all this fish we're gonna get a weight. All right. Pray that my other pole don't go off. Oh, what we got here? What we got here? Oh, woo! This one's feisty. This one is feisty. Come on, lock in. $15.96 pounds, people. 15.96 pounds. All right. I'm not trying to do a hook and cook, but I'm not keeping him. He's too big. Oh, that's a fish right there. 15.96 pounds, almost 16-pound blue catfish. But you know what? Hey, man, it's a highlight of the day. So since he hit, I might stay a little bit longer just to see if I can get another little one to hit. All right, but fresh carp, first time fishing in a while, man, you know. All right, let's go get him back. Oh, woo, definitely made the trip worthwhile. All right, y'all, for real this time, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. All right, so for the second time, y'all take care, be easy. Baltimore Angler. See you later.